All right, guys, welcome back. Patrick LeVar here. Again, today is a little bit different. For those of you who do not know, my laptop has died, so I have no GPU. I'm on one of my older laptops here, which has a CPU. It has no GPU. So at the moment, I cannot use Blender Octane because Octane requires a GPU. And this laptop spontaneously crashes whenever it decides to. So, I just wanted to share something up a little bit. So we have a community challenge going on in our Blender Octane school. This week's challenge is all about hard modeling surface. So I came across this really cool program or add-on. It's a free add-on. One of the members in the community suggested it, and I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to suggest it out to you guys for anybody who's into hard modeling surface, and not even this hard modeling surface in general, but just in the process of beveling edges and you're constantly doing that over and over. This would be a great cool little plugin. Now the plugin's name here I think was called I'll have all down in the description, and for those of you in the community, you guys will have the files and all that stuff available to you guys. And at the moment you can see why I don't use this laptop, because it's like even having a tough time just opening the preferences of Blender. So I guess I'm not going to show you it, but it's basically called ND. Let me just first of all clear this scene out here, and I want to show you, I'm going to just do a quick little setup to show you guys why I think this is a very cool plugin. So if I come in here and press Shift A, I'm going to add in a plane, and then I'm going to go to the plane. I'm going to add in a solidify. So there's my solidify, and let's just say we'll give it a solidify of 1. Matter of fact, let's go the opposite direction. Let's go 1, so it's up like that. Okay, and then what I want to do is bevel these edges. So then after that, I'm going to come back into the bevel modifier, and I'm going to go to bevel, drop on a bevel. We can go thickness. We can just leave it on thickness on 1, and then we can even, where's our segments? 0.1. We'll leave it on 0.1, and let's give it 3 segments. Right, just like that. Then I'm going to come in here, shade smooth, shade auto smooth, and that looks pretty good. And then also I'm going to go down to shading, harden normals. Boom. Okay, boom, there it is. Not too bad, right? So I'm going to go ahead and shift that off to the side, and I'm going to do the same process, but I'm going to show you this plugin. This is so much cooler. Check it out. So if I hit F, first of all, I can add in my plane. From here again, if I hit F, I'm going to add in a solidify, okay? And then we had it at we had it at 1. So I'm just going to slide this until it comes to 1. And then I'm going to hold down Alt and shift that. Was it Alt? No, it's Control. Sorry, I'm still learning this. And I'm going to shift this to 1. Okay, there it is. So there's that. Well, it's kind of shifted off, whatever. And then from here, I'm going to press F again, and I'm going to add a bevel. So here is my bevel. Again, we had a bevel of 0.01, or was it 0.01? I don't remember what the bevel was, but I'm just going to give it a bevel of 1. Not going to be the same, right? I don't think it was 1. I think it was 0.1, huh? Let's go like right there. And then I'm going to hold down Alt and add in my 3 segments, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to press H and then harden my normals and then drop it there. Let me just go ahead, since I messed that offset up a little bit. And then boom, it's done. I don't even, right shade smooth, but there it is. Boom. Super quick and easy, even though I messed up the offset there for a moment. This thing is extremely powerful. Like, I barely am scratching the surface of what you can do with this. So let's say we want to do a quick, like, inset on this, or we want to do a bull move. So check it out. If we come in here again, if I add in another cube, I'm gonna go GY, slide this cube over here. So typically, if you don't have bull tools out, you click on it, right click, and then you press Shift Control B, and you can do your bull tuck, right? For here with the plugin, so all I have to do is literally click my cutter, click that, press F, boom, same thing. Here it is. I've got everything. Do a quick difference on that, and then boom, and then even pair this to it so you can know what's connected to and things like that. So there it is. I got a live cutter still. Super easy, right? And then I can tab in here and work all my magic. We can go into maybe edge select mode, and then again, if I press F, I can add a vertex bevel here. I can even clear vertex groups. I can add edge bevel. Boom, just like that. There it is. There's my edge. Let's add some segments in there. Oh, matter of fact, if you roll the mouse button too, you can control that even. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna do that a little bit. And then even segments. We hold down Alt. We can add some segments in there. Smooth that out. Tab out of that. Hide that. Boom. Check that out. That is really cool. Like, super easy. I mean, come on, guys. And I'm barely scratching the surface. This is a free plugin. Like, you can get deep. I've just started using it, and I wanted to share it out immediately because I think it's so cool, just from the fact of how quick it is. And then again, like if you hit, every time you're in a different type of mode, you'll see different types of things here. So we can do array, panels, like it's just totally different. But if I go into edit mode and same the set thing and hit F, now you see we have vertex bevels. It changes based on what mode you're in and what you have selected. So again, if I tab out of that, and then if I take this and I take this and then just kind of put it over here. Now if I grab that and grab that, again, if I hit F, now we've got all of these operations. The operations are constantly changing, right, based on what you have selected. So we want to add a slice in there. So here it is. There's our slice. Here's our cutter. We can move our cutter around, get that slice in there. Boom, there it is. Check that out. And then I can go ahead and hide that. That is so cool.